Hi everyone, how's it going? Just out for a little walk. I thought I'd record some nice scenes. As you can see, there is a lot of greenery in Hong Kong. A lot of places where you can go with your family and friends to enjoy nature. So try to find these kind of places in your own environment. Every country has them. Some people have to travel far to look for them, some not so much. See, nice little animals. Hello, 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 hello. How are you? It's beautiful. Nice little dog. Okay. Oh, here's another one. Hello. How are you? Oh, good boy. Bye bye. So if you're lucky, you get to meet nice animals as well, friendly dogs. You know, Hong Kong is really beautiful. Many opportunities. There are a lot of botanical gardens, nature reserve, wetland parks, marine parks. Try to find something like this in your own local environments. And just share what you find. Because the most important thing is to share the beauty so that people can appreciate it. Ooh, look at that. Just saw a spider web. Oh, hello. Ooh, that's a big one. Also, ooh, oh, hello. Hey. Yeah, always try to find the safest route. Don't go experimenting with new routes unless you are with someone. Always bring a mobile phone just in case. Let someone know where you're going beforehand. Uh, Give them some indication as to when you will be back. That way they don't have to worry about you, and that way you can also stay relatively safe. And God forbid, if something does happen, there's always plan B. Okay? So I hope you like this little stroll of mine. Thanks for your support, and hopefully I can give you something better in the near future. Take care, guys.